Hi all, welcome again. In the previous video, we have discussed about the basics of non-terminating decimals. Today, we are going to learn about different types of non-terminating decimals. Non-terminating decimals are broadly classified into repeating decimals and non-repeating decimals. First one, non-terminating repeating decimals. The definition says non-terminating repeating decimals are decimals that have an infinite number of decimal digits with a repeating pattern. Got it? Let us try to understand the definition with an example. We know that 2.3333 can be written as 2.3 bar. Observe here, all non-terminating repeating decimals can be written in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. Therefore, 2.3333 can be written as 7 by 3. So, 7 by 3 is a fraction equivalent of 2.3333. Got it? Observe here, when we divide 7 by 3, the division never ends and the remainder never becomes 0. Got it? Also, the decimal digit 3 repeats endlessly, forming a repeating pattern. Got it? The conclusion is 2.3333 has an infinite decimal digits. Also, the decimal digit 3 is getting repeated endlessly, forming a repeating pattern. Got it? Hence, 2.333 is a non-terminating repeating decimal. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel Basics to Master Maths. Thank you.